Yo! We're on the German Autobahn. The German Autobahn. So we're on the CBR 2024, the 600RR. You know what it is, the two-wheeling Belgian, we are back. And we're on the German Autobahn, so no speed restrictions. On our way to Düsseldorf, and well, we're in some good company again. And I'm finally in a position where I can just let it fly and don't have to edit the speedo. Of course, I'm always doing the speed limit while in Belgium, but yeah. Well, okay, now let's just pull it all the way out. Here we go. Yep! So, it really only starts pulling from 9k RPM. Here we go. Let's just catch up a little bit because it's a little bit difficult to keep up with all the 1000s. It's not really realistic to keep up with them. So I'm just hanging out in the back, you know. So we got a S1K, then we got the buddies on the S1000XRs, and then we have, well, buddy on the ZX10R. So yeah, we're in a high horsepower company. This guy, he shoots, this exhaust, it shoots flames like you wouldn't imagine. It pops and it flames like crazy, so we're gonna see what the CBR can do and how we can manage on the German Autobahn. Though it is Germany and you can go as fast as you want, you still got a lot of traffic that's holding you up a lot of times. So you got to keep covering the brakes. So it's a huge difference when you're, of course, on the highway. The 1000s, well, it's a league of their own, of course. notice if I want to keep up, I gotta shift down to 4th to just get enough high RPMs to be able to keep up with their low down torque, which is normal, which is to be expected from 600, especially in inline 4. But yeah, top speed, I can cope. But yeah, see, I'm even at 5th, not happening. Here we have him already controlling. We already had some policemen on the first part. These days are so much fun because you're just expecting to do like a little ride, just a small ride on your own, maybe like one guy, and then all of a sudden you're right here, you're in Germany, the other country, with 4 of your buddies. Yeah, so much fun, so much fun. So here you have the city of Düsseldorf, a great fun city in Germany, and not that far from where we all live, because we live in between, just in between Germany, Belgium, and the Netherlands. So we have a lot of places to go to. Yeah, this is just amazing, man. Look at that skyline! Look at that skyline, man. So yeah, this is just gonna be some regular commuting inside the city, nothing interesting. So I'll catch you guys on the way back. So we are on our way back. On the way back it's going to be pretty chill, so short little video today, really short. I haven't really had a lot of time to make some content for you guys because I just became a father like a couple of weeks ago. So you can imagine that it's been pretty busy for me. So gotta have it from these little trips. For the rest, it's just taking care of my family for now. There are priorities in life, of course. So yeah, that has been it for today. It's gonna be a chill ride back home. This was a two-wheeling Belgian, another fun little trip. Hope to see you guys in the next coming video. We'll see when it is. There should be a ride this Sunday, but I'm gonna take a look if we can actually make it or not. But yeah, hope to see you guys soon. This was Two Wheeling Belgian. We are out. See you. Peace.